Hello again, guys. It's Kate. I am back with the Earn Network platform. We are the endgame DApp for all your crypto investments where you can earn yield on your tokens and NFTs. We're supported by leading funds such as Marana, Viat BTC, Kronos Labs, DFG, Shima Capital, and we've also worked with many prominent projects such as Aleph Zero and VVS Finance. Remember, we are supporting over 80 assets at the moment. We have over 6,000 active stakers, and you guys have earned a total of 900,000 in rewards so far. Thanks to you guys, our platform has reached a remarkable 4.2 million in staked value, and we would love for those numbers to keep on growing. One of the assets I want to introduce to you today is Mouse in Pasta, the stuck token. Let's head on over to the staking pool. Let me show you how you can start earning rewards across different chains. First thing we're going to do is connect our wallet. Click on MetaMask. Now, after you've connected your wallet, you can see the available balance right here in the performance section. So we have over 1,500 tokens available. If you scroll down, you can see all the rewards you are able to gain if you stake this token. Expand these little tabs. You can read about the requirements which you need to fulfill for each reward. You can also hover over these little question marks for further explanations if something is not clear to you. Okay, you see these rewards are all ready to earn. All we have to do is stake our tokens. Let's head on back up and decide the amount we would like to stake today. On the right side, you can type in the amount or use the arrows. You can also click max, and then all of your available tokens will appear right over here. Okay, let's stake maybe 25 tokens today. Above, you have the lockup period. The longer the lockup period, the more rewards you will claim at the end. You can use the preset days right over here, or use the green slider to put in the exact amount of days you wish to lock up for. Maybe let's just do 25 days today. There we go, 25 tokens, 25 days. Okay, in the rewards summary, check out all the rewards that appear for you. Of course, if you change the days or the tokens, the rewards will change. All right, let's click stake and confirm the transaction in our MetaMask wallet. And that is it. We have just staked 25 stuck tokens. Okay, you see in the performance section, the staked amount has changed to 25 tokens, 25 staked tokens, and you have your redemption date, claimable rewards once they are available for you, pending rewards, all that good stuff. If you scroll back down, you see you are earning. We are earning on one reward. You can expand the tab and check out the information out. If you would like to be earning on more rewards, you can add more tokens to the ones you have already staked or extend for, your lockup period, and then more rewards will be, of course, available to you. All up to you. You have the freedom to choose. Okay, if you were to unstake your tokens, you could do so right here. Of course, you lose all your rewards, and we would be very sad to see you do that. But if you were to do so, please head on over to our white paper and check out the exact steps you need to follow if you needed some guidance. Once your rewards are available, they will be right here in the claim section. To head on over to your dashboard, click this green button up top and click My Investments. You can see all of your stake tokens nicely earning right here for you. Remember, you are in charge of all of your transactions and nobody can perform these except for you. Once you have staked, all of your tokens are safely earning on the smart contract as always. Head on over to the main page and check out all of the crypto gems we have for you. Remember, each asset offers unique single staking opportunities not available elsewhere. We have something for everyone, so head on over to the Earn Network and start earning with us. At the bottom, you can check out our white paper, our token, and more articles and updates from us. Click this little button if you guys would need some extra help. If you would like to just chat with us, have some questions that were not covered in this video, please do not hesitate and contact our customer support. We are here to help you and would love to hear from you. That is it, guys. Have a wonderful day and hope to see you in the next one.